Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Utterly Fascinating. I'm Shelley, your host.
And I'm Skelly, your resident joke master and co-host extraordinaire.
Today we have something really cool planned. We'll be making ice cream right here at home.
Ice cream? Ho ho ho! Count the ends, Shelley.
And the best part is, we'll be using a fun and easy method using plastic bags.
Plastic bags? How is that even possible?
I'll show you. Let's learn something utterly fascinating.
Ice cream! Okay, I'm ready.
What are you wearing?
Well, if we're gonna be making ice cream, isn't it gonna be cold?
The ice cream is going to be cold. We are not going to be cold.
Oh. 1 second. Oof. Phew, that's better. It was getting a little warm in there. Continue.
So what you'll need to follow along at home is some heavy cream, some sugar, vanilla extract, ice, and salt. Oh, and don't forget about the plastic bag.
Looks like a shopping list for a delicious adventure.
It sure is. Let's get started. First, we pour some cream, sugar, and vanilla into a small plastic bag. I'm going to be making vanilla ice cream, but you can make whatever flavor you want by adding different flavorings now or special toppings later. Next thing we'll need is a large plastic bag. The large plastic bag is where the magic happens. We'll put the small bag with the ingredients into the large bag. This bag has salt and ice.
I understand the ice to make it cold, but why the salt?
Great question. When the ice and the salt mix, something fascinating happens. The salt lowers the temperature of the ice. Normally, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius.
Uh-huh.
But when we add salt to the ice, it gets even colder than that. It's like giving the ice a chilly boost.
Wow. So adding salt to ice makes super ice.
Something like that. When we add the mixture of ingredients into the large bag filled with ice and salt, that super cold environment pulls away some of the heat from inside the ice cream mixture. It causes the ice cream to freeze faster.
Super cold? More like super cool.
Or super cheesy. Now that we've covered the fascinating science behind what's happening inside our bag, let's get ready for the fun part, to shake.
Shaking? That reminds me of something. Shake, 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 shake.
I just can't remember. Let's get started. That should do it. As you can see, our ice cream's already formed. We can take our small bag out and get ready for a yummy treat.
This looks so yummy.
I wonder what I want. I think I'm feeling chocolate today. Well, that wraps up our icy fun for today.
We hope you've had a moo-tastic time learning how to make ice cream and the science behind it.
Check us out next time to see what other fun things we get up to.